Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X published on April 20th, 2026, about 2 days ago. It introduces a method for conformational control, which means steering the specific three-dimensional shapes a protein can take. By adjusting the model's latents, or its internal mathematical representations, the researchers improved the success rate of finding active states in cell receptors from 24% to 79%. The paper is titled ConforNets, Latent-Based Conformational Control in OpenFold 3. And as we'll see later, this approach has some really significant implications for drug discovery. Well, Figure 1 illustrates how these ConforNets operate within the OpenFold 3 architecture. The leftmost section shows the core mechanism, which applies a channel-wise affine transform to the pair latents before the pairformer, which is the component that learns complex protein interactions. This affine transform is a simple operation that scales and shifts internal data, helping the model explore different shapes. The middle and right sections detail how this enables diverse prediction and supervised transfer, which can induce a specific biological state across an entire protein family. Alright, while the previous figure showed how the model is built, Table 1 provides results across multi-state benchmarks, which test if the AI can find different biological shapes for the same protein. The proposed methods, labeled as Rs coordinate and Rs distogram, achieve the highest success rates in most categories. On membrane transporters, the distogram version reaches 51% success, which more than doubles the standard OpenFold 3 performance. This suggests that targeted latent perturbations are very effective. So, Table 1 showed the broad performance. Figure 2 now visualizes this state coverage specifically for membrane transporters. In Panel A, the success rate curves show that the distogram version of ConforNets consistently exceeds other methods. This success is measured by root mean square deviation, which is the average distance between atoms in predicted and actual protein shapes. Panel B displays an empirical energy landscape, which maps shape stability and reveals two distinct basins for inward and outward states. Finally, Panel C superimposes the predictions, showing that the model captures both orientations with high precision. Well, while Figure 2 looked at membrane transporters, Figure 4 demonstrates the shift in state distribution for G-protein coupled receptors. These are essential proteins on cell surfaces that transmit signals, and these heat maps show the likelihood of the model reaching different shapes. In Panel A, the base OpenFold 3 model never samples the active adenosine receptor, but ConforNets shift that probability to 88%. Similarly, in Panel B, the success rate for the cannabinoid receptor jumps to 80%, proving we can steer the model toward specific biological states. While the previous figure highlighted statistical shifts in state sampling, Figure 5 demonstrates how these latent transformations generalize across different proteins, even when they are not very similar in shape. In Panel A, a receptor is guided toward an active state, where the induced pink prediction aligns with the blue ground truth. Panel B shows successful transfer for a transporter with very low similarity, as indicated by a template modeling score of 0.28. This score measures structural overlap, proving that ConforNets capture global biological rules. So, Figure 5 illustrated individual examples, but Table 2 summarizes the quantitative results across 3 protein families. The metrics compare at-will induction, which means generating a specific state on command, and reachability, which tracks if the state appears within 100 samples. In the at-will columns, ConforNets reach a 79% success rate for cell receptors, while the base model stays at 24%. These massive gains show that latent modulation is a more reliable control mechanism. Okay, Table 2 summarized those performance gains. Now Table 3 explains the design choice behind where to apply these transformations. The researchers tested several internal locations, including the pair representations, labeled with a Z, and single representations, labeled with an ES. The Z pre-location, which modifies pair latents before they enter the main processing blocks, achieves the most consistent root mean square deviation. While other locations might look good in a mini rollout, which is a simplified version of the prediction process, the Z pre-version is the only one that remains stable during a full high-detail rollout. Well, the stability shown in Table 3 confirms that these latent transformations are the key to unlocking hidden protein shapes. The primary takeaway is that ConforNets provide a steerable way to access biologically relevant states, which standard models usually miss. This approach not only improves success rates for important drug targets, but also proves that complex structural rules can be transferred across entire protein families. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.